I just received my language translation earbuds, and I'm really excited to see what's in the box, how well they work, and it will really help me with my work. Okay, first things, check it out. What does it say? Tells you the information on the back. Transmission distance is 10 meters. Charging time, it's going to take 1 to 2 hours. Use time is 4 to 5 hours. Headphone capacity, okay. This came actually with really good reviews, so I'm really looking forward to it. Type-C fast charge, that helps too. When you're working with different people with bilateral languages, you have to, or bilingual, you have to be able to talk with them and understand what they're saying. And this is supposed to be pretty much instant. Okay, but first we're going to concentrate on what's in the box. All right. This would be, oh, and it's already running. Okay. Cool, looks nice. Look at this. Oh, 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 oh. Cool, cool, cool. Like an app. Oh, there's both sides. Okay, that's what the first part is. Let's check out and see what else you've got in here. Okay, that's to hang on to it with. And this is, there's the Type-C that they were talking about. Looks pretty simple. The very first thing I always do is I always start looking for the instruction manual. I mean, I go and I review that a lot, and I try and check and see what it does, what other people say about it, and then when I get it, the very first thing I do, one, is I check to make sure that everything that's supposed to be in the box is in the box. And it said right here, you can read it. Headphones, 2 of them, charging case, 1 piece, Type-C charging cable, and the instruction manual. Okay. And it is in different languages as well. Boot, shut down, pair the left and the right. Parameters. All right. Here it is. That's what I'm looking for. The very first thing it tells you to do. Take out the headphones and hang them on your ears, wearing them in a suspended ear style. Now, I have hearing aids, so this is going to, I'm really used to wearing this kind of thing. So I'm going to get my hearing aid, or my, listen to me. I'm going to get the earbuds and take them out. There's one. There we go. Here's 2. And this is my hearing aids. I can hear well enough in certain areas, but other areas I can't. That's what I have them for. So I'm really excited to see if these are going to work for me. Okay, it's flashing on and off. So I'm going to pop these. Okay, they're quite comfortable. All right. Okay, so far so good. So now what I'm going to do, I am going to take these and I'm going to actually use them. And then I'm going to put some comments underneath on how they work and how efficient they are. But what you've managed to see here with the video is exactly what's in the box, the instruction manual, how good it is. It's going to be easy enough to flip this over on the other side. See, when you're putting them away, you've got a nice carrying case that there's one side. Here's the other one. Yeah, I'm liking this. I think it looks like good quality. I'm hoping that it works as good as I need it to work. Read the comments below, and I'm going to put a link so you can get some for yourself. This is wonderful. It actually is going to make you more effective for your job, more able to do the things that you need to do and understand. It's going to remove language barriers, and that's what I think. So instead of parlez-vous français, they're going to hear you say, do you speak French? You know, or ich liebe dich. Somebody just said, I love you. Now you're going to be able to hear it and give them a big hug back. So far, I'm really happy with it. I'm excited about it. Just check the comments and I'll tell you how they actually work.